Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our first day in my life video. Hope you all will like it. Just like these clouds passing together, let's all face and overcome the situation together. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Today is Sunday, so it's a day to spend time with family. We all got up together in the morning and just doing our morning routines. Ethan and Ivan is also awake. Yes, so we actually, after brushing our teeth, we have a medicine. So this is a homeo medicine which we have for our immunity. Immunity, like it's a booster. So we have to eat 4 tablets of this in a month, 3 days in empty stomach. So that's what I'm just giving to Ethan. Then I'll give it to Ivan, and then even I will have. So this is what we did in the morning after brushing our teeth. Yes, and then we'll have a little bit chit chat, and then it's time for us to have our morning tea. So now it's lockdown, so today we are not getting milk, so I am just making a black tea. For us, it's always the tea time, that is where we sit and talk to each other, sit and watch, or even playing, laughing for some funny jokes. All that happens when we have a cup of tea. So I'll make sure that we always have a time where we spend time together. Yes. So now I'm just pouring my black tea into our cups. Yes, so these cups I just bought when I went to Kerala to visit my family. So these are clay cups, and it is very special, and we feel very refreshed when we have a coffee in that. And yes, let me introduce to you another member of my family. He is Mr. Bluey, our fish. Yeah, so after making the tea, I'm just serving it for them. So they are just sitting and having some talk, father and son. Yeah. Yes, our breakfast is dosa. Yes, we have some batter with us. Now I have to prepare some chutney. So that's what I'm preparing. So I thought to make some tomato chutney, which is very easy to do. So I'm just cutting some onions and then some tomato. Yes, it's a very easy peasy recipe, I would say. This is what we usually make when we have dosa. Yeah, after cutting onion, I'm just frying it in some oil. Yes, I forgot to show you the chili. Yes, so then some onion and chili, and I'm adding little salt so that onion gets fried fast. And after frying it, I'm just adding tomatoes. Yes, now let's wait for all these things to get fried well. Yes, and then some curry leaves to that. Yeah, let's fry, and then some ginger. This chutney is Ethan's favorite, and trust me, if you try, you will love it. And it's really easy to make, and I'm sure many of you will be knowing it. Yes, and some more salt for the taste. Yeah, and now I'm adding some coriander leaves. This actually lifts the taste of the chutney well. So when you prepare, don't forget to add coriander leaves. Yes, so that's all about chutney. Now that chutney we have to grind it in mixie after once it cools down. So that part I've got to shoot. Yeah, so now I'm just preparing dosa. Yes. So dosa is something which is very easy to prepare. If dosa batter is there, then our morning runs very fast. I think many of you will agree to this. Yes. So I'm just serving dosa with our tomato chutney. Yeah. And I have to prepare one more dosa. So this is for Ethan because he loves to eat with butter and sugar. So I'm just sprinkling some sugar on top of it. Yeah, that's all. So our breakfast is dosa and tomato chutney. Yes. Now it's time to prepare our lunch. So we had some chicken breast piece which was left over to cook. So Ivan is preparing some recipe with that. So he is doing all this cooking. Yeah, so let me tell you what are the ingredients required for this. So this is chili flakes. Then he added some oil into it and some salt and pepper powder. Let's see what he is adding next. I'm not sure. Yes, next he is adding some vinegar. And then mix it. Yes, and even he have added some kasturi methi. Yeah, and then mixed it, and now he is just marinating chicken. So this is one of the common recipe which we usual recipe I would say which we try all the time, and it comes out very well. So now all the chicken pieces are marinated well. It's just coated with the masala. Now we have to keep it for marination for some time in fridge, maybe for half an hour. And now it's time to fry. So in some oil, Ivan is just frying chicken. Yes, it is very tasty, guys. Yes. So whenever we buy chicken, we will always buy breast piece too, so that we can try different recipes like this, and we even add in pasta, Maggi and all that. Yes. Now the chicken is ready, and this is our lunch. So while Ivan was preparing chicken, I made a vegetable pulav and some salad and our chicken. So our lunch is ready, guys. So now it's lunch time. So finally our lunch is ready. We made a vegetable pulav and chicken. So this is chicken breast. Yes, it's really nice and spicy. And then we made what is this, khichdi, right? Yeah, a curd salad. It's so good. So we will be sharing the recipe in our video. Please try and do it. Ethan, how is the food? Good. Yummy. Yes. After lunch, we had some nap time, and now it's evening 5. So now it's exclusively me and Ethan's study time, and this is the toughest part of my day where I have to make him study because children have a very short listening span, I would say. So, to make him engage, to make him study during this pandemic is very difficult because they are missing that time where they used to go to school, and now it's our duty to make them study. So, studying is going on. Yes. In the evenings, we always love to sit outside our balcony and spend some time. And we also go to terrace and make Ethan also play a little while. And we both used to have some walk or maybe some little exercise and all that. So it's evening and I'm just walking, making myself refreshed. Yeah. And we also used to do reels and everything for Instagram in our terrace. So we also had fun time shooting that. So that's all, guys. This is all about our one Sunday. Yeah. So hope you all will like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and do comment on our video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Soon we will be back with another video. Till then, stay safe, stay home.